Hello everyone, and welcome to Elvekas Venture. I'm so excited to be sharing my passion for gardening with you today. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a sunny windowsill, we believe everyone can experience the joy of gardening. Over the years, I've learned a trick or two about making the most of what you have. And today, I'm excited to share 10 gardening hacks that I wish I knew sooner. These simple and practical tips will help you work smarter, not harder, in your garden, leading to healthier plants and a more abundant harvest. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Proper watering is crucial for healthy plants, but who has time to stand with a hose all day? Let me show you a simple DIY irrigation system using recycled plastic bottles. Just punch a few small holes in the cap and bottom of a bottle, then bury it, leaving the neck exposed. Fill it with water and it will slowly seep out, keeping the soil consistently moist. This method is especially helpful for thirsty plants like tomatoes and cucumbers and ensures deep root watering for robust growth. It's eco-friendly and easy on the wallet too. There's nothing more disheartening than seeing pests nibble away at your hard work. But before you reach for harsh chemicals, try these natural deterrents. A simple spray of garlic and water can deter aphids and mites, while a sprinkle of diatomaceous earth around your plants will keep slugs and snails at bay. Remember, a healthy garden starts with a healthy ecosystem, and these natural remedies will help you protect your plants without harming beneficial insects or pollinators. Don't let limited space cramp your gardening style. Vertical gardening is a fantastic way to maximize your yield, even on a small balcony. Think trellises for climbing vines like cucumbers and beans, or stacked planters for herbs and strawberries. Another tip is to choose compact varieties of your favorite vegetables, specifically bred for container gardening. With a little creativity, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest no matter how small your space. Chapter 4: Composting Black Gold for your garden. Composting is like magic. It transforms kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich black gold that your plants will absolutely love. Starting a compost bin is easier than you think. Just choose a shady spot in your yard and add a mix of brown materials like dried leaves and twigs and green materials like vegetable peels and grass clippings. Turn the pile occasionally to provide air circulation, and in a few short months, you'll have a treasure trove of nutrient-rich compost to nourish your garden. Chapter 5: Companion Planting Friends in the Garden Bed. Just like people, some plants are better companions than others. Companion planting is the art of pairing plants that benefit each other. For instance, planting basil alongside tomatoes can improve growth and flavor while deterring pesky whiteflies. Marigolds, known for their insect-repelling properties, make excellent companions for a variety of vegetables. Researching companion planting combinations can help you create a thriving and harmonious garden ecosystem. Chapter 6: Vertical Gardening, Reaching New Heights in the Garden. Take your gardening to new heights with vertical gardening. This space-saving technique is perfect for urban gardens, patios, or even walls. You can grow a surprising variety of plants vertically, from cascading herbs and strawberries to vibrant flowers and leafy greens. Consider using trellises, hanging baskets, or even repurposed pallets to create stunning vertical displays that add visual interest and maximize your growing space. Chapter 7: Mulching, the secret to water-wise gardening. Mulch is a gardener's best friend. It helps retain moisture in the soil, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature. Spread a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch, such as shredded bark, straw, or compost, around your plants, leaving a small gap around the stem. Not only will it save you time watering, but it also adds a neat and tidy look to your garden beds. Chapter 8: Seed Saving, from garden to packet and back again. Seed saving is a rewarding way to preserve heirloom varieties and save money on next year's garden. Let some of your favorite flowers and vegetables go to seed, then collect and dry the seeds carefully. Store them in labeled envelopes in a cool, dry place. Imagine the satisfaction of planting seeds from your very own garden. It's a wonderful way to connect with the cycle of nature and create a sustainable gardening practice. Chapter 9: Rainwater Harvesting, Liquid Gold from the Sky. Rainwater is a precious resource, especially for your garden. Why not harvest it? A simple rain barrel placed beneath a downspout can collect gallons of water, reducing your reliance on municipal water and providing your plants with the purest hydration. Remember, every drop counts, and rainwater harvesting is an eco-friendly way to conserve water and nourish your garden. Chapter 10: Garden Tool, Maintenance. Caring for your gardening companions. Our gardening tools are our trusty companions, so let's show them some love. After each use, take a few minutes to clean off any dirt or debris. Sharpen blades regularly for cleaner cuts and apply a light coat of oil to prevent rust. Proper maintenance ensures your tools are always ready for action, season after season. Ultra happy gardening, thanks for joining me on this gardening adventure. I hope these 10 simple hacks inspire you to try something new in your garden and discover the joy of watching your plants thrive. Remember, gardening is a journey of learning and experimentation. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, make mistakes, and most importantly, have fun. Each season brings new opportunities to connect with nature, grow delicious food, and create a beautiful outdoor space. From my garden to yours, happy gardening.